Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Sales Order Reports feature. This feature helps you view the reports for your orders. The Sales Order Reports feature is found underneath the reports icon at the bottom of the dashboard. Once on the Sales Order Reports feature, you'll see a list of parameters you can set to view the types of orders you wish to see. You can set parameters through the date, users, order type, and order ID. Once you have found the order that you wish to view, you are able to see whether or not the order has been picked and processed. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.